Hey friends, if you wish to open elevated PowerShell prompt on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. But before watching this video, I need to clarify one thing. So if you check other resources on the internet, they are giving like 8 ways to open elevated PowerShell, 11 ways to open elevated PowerShell through command prompt. So why? We do not need to go through the more complex methods. We need the easiest methods. And the easiest method is to search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, and if you find it here, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. The other method, now in case you don't find it in the search bar, which happens at times, the other method, the only one that you'll need is to press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type PowerShell and press Control Shift plus Enter. Okay, and then click on Yes for the prompt, and this opens the elevated PowerShell. How do you know that the PowerShell that you opened is elevated? It will mention administrator at the top left corner, and that means that it is the elevated PowerShell window. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.